pick any article that you like, follow me along in this method, start collecting $300 at the end of every single month. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $610 daily with this new Google trick. Guys, this is gonna be free PayPal money, and this method still works until 2021. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment, any skill or any experience whatsoever to get started. But guys, before we move any further, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to google.com and I want you to type in the search bar Google News. After that, hit enter and then simply open up the first link that comes up. Now once you open up this link from over here, you will be able to see all the news that is happening all around the world and all the top stories about like basically crypto, celebrities, politics, like technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and basically any other category that you can possibly think of as something is going to be happening in that particular category. So how can you make money from this? Well guys, it is very easy. Take a look at the left side. Over on the left side, click on world. And then once you click on world, you will see like all the global news that is coming from all over the world. Basically like this news is like all the news that people all over the world are interested in, and these news get the most clicks. Now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply find a news that you think is the most interesting and that you think is gonna get the most likes. So like from over here on the left side, I think that this one looks pretty nice. What led to Sydney's scariest period since the pandemic started. This is a very catchy title. But similarly, scroll down even further, maybe you'll find an even better article, who knows. So like just make sure to like spend your time searching these articles. Yeah, so like this one is the best title I've seen yet. Leaked UN report warns climate change will leave millions hungry in drought and diseased. So I'm gonna like open up this article, and like this article is like already giving me chills because this is so scary. So the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change draft report leaked Thursday. The 4,000-page report warns that the worst climate change is yet to come. By 2050, millions of people worldwide will face chronic hunger, be in drought, or be riddled with disease. So like guys, that is already a very frightening article. And honestly, this is scary as well. So like over here, we can see that like all these articles are like present over here, and like we have a complete article with like all the links and everything else as well. So like now what I want you to do is that guys, I want you to simply like copy the link of this particular article, or basically just like copy this whole article if you can, one by one, paragraph by paragraph, and then I want you to write it on a Google document. Now once you do that, I want you to move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to textbroker.com. Now guys, textbroker.com is going to be the website that is going to help us make the most money. So from over here, we can see that this website has been featured on some of the top brands that are present in the world right now. Now, if anybody needs writers, or if anybody needs anybody to create unique content, well then they simply reach out to this particular website. So like from over here, you can sign up for absolutely free, and everything you need is going to be provided on this particular website. So from over here, take a look at the top and click on I write content, and then click on payment. Now once you click on payment, from over here you can see that you can earn 0.7 cents per dollars depending upon your quality, and like if you have the highest quality, well then you can earn up to 5 cents per word. Guys, that is a lot of money, considering that like 5 cents per word, that is gonna be like at least a couple $100 for like a whole article. So from over here, what you do is that you simply like calculate your earnings. What if you were to like write an article that is 6,000 words? Well then you can earn $42 with a 2-star quality. But the articles on Google News, well, they are all like 5-star articles. So like simply like increase the quality, you can earn $300 for every single article that you copy from over here, and then simply like paste it over here for like different people to like read and buy it from you. So from over here, click on free author registration, and then once you like sign up as an author, well then you can simply start writing over here. And then once you start writing on topics, simply like research those topics on Google News, and then simply copy those articles and then paste them over here on this website. And then this website is gonna pay you 0.5 cents per word, and guys, you will be making quite a lot of money for doing absolutely nothing. Now guys, that is one way of making money, but then again, if you want to like earn even more fast or like with even more quality, what you can do is that you can simply go onto a website called fiverr.com, search in content writing, and then simply hire any one of these people. You will basically have to invest some money initially, but the payout is gonna be far greater. So like over here, this person is gonna write you blog articles for like $90, but guys, as we know, for like a 6,000 word article, you can make $300. So like investing $100 to make $300, guys, that is a pretty good deal if you ask me. So like just do that. Make sure to be creative with this, make sure to be like as profitable as you can with this. And again, the avenues are so many that like I can't possibly cover all of them, but then again, make sure to like read this yourself as well. And yeah, like make sure to pay full attention and to put in the full effort. And like once you do all of these steps, well, after that, all that you will need to do is simply cash out your earnings, which you can do as well via PayPal, straight into your PayPal account. And guys, as you all know, PayPal literally takes minutes to like give you your earnings. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just make sure to like take full advantage from all of this. And like over here, we even have a message from their CEO. At Text Broker, we truly value you and your work, and thank you very much for your contributions. We are glad that you've chosen to be a part of the Text Broker family. Without you, we truly would be nothing, and we are honored to show you our appreciation and look forward to working with you in the future. So like that is basically a very nice message, and that shows the confidence the CEO has in his company. And then we even have some more questions and answers over here as well, which you can definitely read if you want to like learn about more ways about how you can be profitable with this particular website. So like simply click on again free author registration, sign me up as an author, and then simply fill out this forum, and then you will be set to go. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just make sure to like do this method completely, be consistent, be hardworking, and then do this every single day. And after a couple of days, guys, you will see staggering results. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just make sure to like do this and let me know in the comments down below how it went. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.